In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a file from a URL and upload it to Google Drive using a simple automation. We'll start right inside your automation platform. Open your scenario so you're looking at the canvas where modules connect. Think of this scenario as a small pipeline. First, we'll fetch a file from the internet. Then we'll pass that exact file into Google Drive. Begin by adding an HTTP module to the canvas. This module is perfect for retrieving content from the web, and in this case, we want it to pull down a specific file. When the module options appear, choose Get a File. This tells the platform to request the file and keep the binary data intact so it can be passed along to the next step without any conversion issues. Next, enter the file URL. Use a direct link to the file, not a link to a web page that displays the file. A direct URL typically ends with the file's extension, like .pdf, .jpg, or .csv. Make sure the link is publicly accessible or otherwise reachable by your scenario. If the file lives behind a login or requires headers, that would change the approach, but for a straightforward download, a clean, direct URL works best. With the download side ready, add a Google Drive module. When you're prompted for the action, choose Upload a File. This module will take the file we just fetched and place it in your drive exactly as if you uploaded it manually. Now map the file data. In the Google Drive modules fields, select the file content coming from the HTTP Get a File output. You'll typically see fields like data, name, and possibly content type. Map the binary file data to the upload field, and map the file name if it's available from the HTTP response. If a name isn't provided by the source, you can type one in so that the uploaded file is easy to recognize later. Select the folder where you want the file to live in Google Drive. Choose a destination you use regularly to keep things organized. This avoids clutter and makes it simple to verify the result. When everything looks good, click OK to confirm the module settings. Now click Run once to test the flow. You should see the scenario fetch the file from the URL and upload it to the selected drive folder. If anything fails, double-check the URL and your field mapping. Finally, click Save to preserve your scenario. You now have a clean, repeatable way to move a file from a URL straight into Google Drive.